Welcome to our channel. Quick easy setup guide for Tenda Wi-Fi router. Unbox your Tenda router, take out your Tenda router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and instruction manual from the box. Make sure everything is included. Connect the router to power, plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. The LED lights on the router will start blinking. Attach the Ethernet cable, connect the Ethernet cable from your modem to the WAN Internet port on the back of the Tenda router, usually marked in blue. Wait for LED indicators, wait until the LED lights on the router show a stable power and Internet connection. Usually, a solid light indicates readiness. Connect to default Wi-Fi on your smartphone or computer, search for the default Wi-Fi name, SSID. Print it on the router's label and connect using the default password. Open the setup page, open a web browser and go to tendawifi.com or 192.168.0.1 to access the router's web setup page. Log in to router interface, enter the default login password, often admin or leave it blank for new routers. You'll be taken to the setup wizard. Configure Wi-Fi settings, set a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password of your choice. You can also choose the connection type, dynamic IP, PPPO, etc., if your ISP requires it. Save and restart the router, click Save or Finish to apply settings. The router will restart and your new Wi-Fi network will be ready to use. Reconnect all devices. Now, reconnect your devices, phones, laptops, etc., to the new Wi-Fi network using the new password you created. Thank you for watching.